How I adapted when the plan changed. There comes a moment for many of us when we realize the original plan no longer matches the reality we're living in. The moment, I should say, that moment can feel unsettling, even scary. Let me ask you this. Have you ever looked at your situation and thought, I didn't plan for this? That's exactly where adaptation begins. For me, adaptation wasn't dramatic or overnight. I didn't abandon everything and start from scratch. Instead, I focused on flexibility. I stopped relying on a single source of income and began building multiple manageable streams. I leaned into writing and sharing what I've learned through experience, not as a sales pitch, but as a way to contribute something useful. Over time, that became a part time business that fits my life rather than controlling it. What I learned is that adaptation doesn't have to be overwhelming to be effective. Small, thoughtful changes can be dramatically reduce financial pressure and emotional stress. This isn't about chasing friends. It's about creating sustainability in a world that keeps shifting on us. If the plan you had no longer works, what would be a calmer, more flexible plan? What would it look like for you now? You're allowed to adjust and you're allowed to evolve. Resilience isn't loud, but it lasts. Follow for more valuable tips I can share with you.